Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to convert BQ Tablet Linux edition from Linux to Android. As you see, this is a picture of the iPad. We have three models from this iPad, three different models, M10 and M10hd and M10 Full HD. So you have to check carefully which device is yours. The steps of converting the tablet is very easy. All you have to a USB cable and SP flash tool. SP flash tool is a great tool and the official tool to flashing MediaTek processors in the world. And this iPad, or we can say this tablet, have a MediaTek processor, so you have to use it because the processor of the device is MediaTek processor, which is from China. I have downloaded this firmware. It's converted from Linux to Android, and as you see, here's my tablet, which is MediaTek processor. You can see it, powered by Ubuntu. This company is a Spanish company, the first company in the world which have released this type of tablets. I mean Linux tablet. So it have Ubuntu. If we unlock this, you will see this. As you see, it's working fine, but no have App Store and any other download center, and the official download center which is included in this tablet is not working completely. So first you have to turn off this tablet, power off, and open flash tool, run this tool, flash tool .exe, run this one. Just wait a few seconds until the program will work. Now change this to firmware upgrade, and in the scatter loading file click on the choose and go to the firmware folder and select this one, MT8163 Android scatter. You have to wait a little until this will be loaded and change it to firmware upgrade. Press on download and wait a little, and be sure your device has been turned off completely. When this turns to black, it means your flash tool is ready to flashing your device. So here it is. You can see it's USB port. We can just plug the USB and wait. As you see, the process has been started. As you see, the device works successfully, and choose your own language and interested language. After that, if you want to connect network, or if you not want, just press skip. Next. I don't want to protect the device. It means I don't want to set screen lock. Skip anyway. Got it. And as you see, we have installed Android successfully, and we have Google Play. This is Google Play Store, and Android version 6 Marshmallow. Have a good time. Thank you for watching.